mean, right.
Go in the kitchen. First of all, y'all not on freeze. Y'all mama just walked in the door.
Oh.
But first, go grab the rest of them groceries out the car so I can cook dinner.
I ain't got my shoes on.
Girl. All right, do it one more time. Oh.
One more? For real, one more?
Maybe. Because I'm sitting here trying to...
Oh, shit! Not at all.
Because I can't see. Well, maybe if you would have left the ball on the ground instead of my face.
What happened?
I'm dead. Okay.
Did that go good?
Did it?
I hurt my finger.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
You're not gonna catch. Hey. I gotta pee. I didn't even get the chance to look up. Yo, shit. Come on, bro. I couldn't even get up.
I seen that on camera, dog.
Oh my god.
Went down quick, faster than a hurry.
Shut up, baby.
Come out! Let's handle this like women!
No, you're going to hit me.
No!
What the fuck?
Come on out! Let's handle this like a woman!
No, you're going to hit me.
No, I'm not. We can battle this square and fair.
Come on, come on.
Come on.
You're not going to catch me. What the fuck? Pick up your feet, nigga. I feel like 5 times. After we shoot this shit, we gonna be fucking dead. Dealing with your ass.
Sorry, shit, dog.
Come on, shit. We gotta get together. Alright, ready? You're not. I'm tired. I'm tired. Oh my god. What you do now?
She supposed to walk over here when she say that. Okay.
Gotta do her part. You just record me walking shit. Let me do her part.
All right.
Why you laughing? Hey, you! Where my ball go?
What the fuck, y'all ain't get the ball?
You an asshole.
Oh my gosh.
That's her. She got weave in my shoes.
You ugly.
Yo, I'm hungry. I can't be doing this with no food in my stomach. Something wrong with... She really walk like that.
Hey.
Come on. I want a soccer team.
Oh.
You haven't been to man in like a minute.
They're looking at us.
Why is this tree ball headed?
Ow!
You get up.
Ow! You hit me in my face.
Catch me if you can. Why you be down there so long, bro?
Cause I forgot. Hey,
I know, right? I don't have nothing to say.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
Is you recording?
Chris, can you get out the way?
Get out the way.
She dying.
That feel good.
This nigga rolls up from the bed. I feel like a bitch. Let's lock this shit out, y'all.
Cause I already knew I was supposed to do that. You supposed to shut the fuck up. Boom! Hold on! You too heavy. You too heavy. You heavy. Get on the seat. Get on the seat. You already want to fall. Bust my kneecap. She making the tire go. Go wiggle wiggle. Come get me. These niggas kidnapped.
Dinner money want
Come on, dog. We talk that shit later.
Oh, you got a quick reflex. These nuts.